Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my brand new e-file that I've just launched on my website. But also, if you only ever use a single e-file bit in your life to prep your nails, I am sharing my ultimate must-have because honestly, it is insanely amazing and it is my go-to e-file bit. So yeah, if you want to know which one I'm using, keep on watching the video for my demo and I will show you just how good it is. Okay, let's get back to my beautiful e-file. Seriously, oh, she is a pretty. She's absolutely stunning. We have the desktop charging stand, the pause play button on the top, forward and reverse. And then the buttons on the front are your preset speeds to what you love to work with. So if you want low on 2, medium on 10, whatever you want, you can preset them so you can literally just hit to your speed at the touch of a button. Honestly, it's absolutely insane. It is also cordless, which is another bonus. Okay, so regardless of whether I'm going to use my e-file or not, I do like to come in and push my cuticles back. In this case, I'm using the stainless cuticle pusher from my website. I'm going to link everything down below. So if you want to check anything out, link it. It'll be linked down there, or in the bottom left, you'll be able to see the products that I'm sharing with you all as well. So I'm gently coming in with the hoof side and I am pushing back the cuticle nice and gentle. We don't want to hurt ourselves. We don't want to cause any pain, or we don't want to dig down into the nail plate. Just a nice gentle push back. I do like to do this dry. I don't add any other products at this point. And then I'm going to come in with the other side and we are going to go ahead and scrape around the cuticle area. So what this is going to do is actually release that area that is attached to the nail plate slightly, and it's going to give it a much neater shape. You can continue to scrape that dead cuticle off the nail plate with this tool. However, the next e-file bit that I'm going to share with you guys is just, to die for, an absolute must. If you already have it, it is the Cuticle Clean from Glitter Planet. It is the gentlest bit, but it is so thorough and amazing for that cuticle prep. And I can literally guarantee that when I use this bit, I will not get any lifting because it does such a good job. So there it is. I've popped it in my e-file. It is, like I say, it's so gentle, so fabulous. Okay, so I've just got my e-file on and we have it at the speed of 4. I'm just going on to the nail and making sure to work around that cuticle. I'm not applying any pressure, but look how amazing this bit is at lifting up the cuticle from the nail plate. Honestly, it is such a thorough bit and it gets into all the crevices. It's also really good, like when you're doing an infilling, you've got to do that cuticle prep again. You're going to come in with this bit, which is super tiny, as you can see, and it just gets in, whether you've got 2 weeks of growth, 1 week, 4 weeks, it gets into all the nooks and crannies. So yeah, I'm absolutely obsessed with it. And if you are not planning on buying my e-file, don't worry, this e-file bit works with any e-file. So if you already have an e-file, you can definitely grab it as well. Okay, so now we are going in reverse and we are going to go ahead back over the nail, and I'm going to push, gently push the cuticle slightly up, and I'm working that e-file bit on the nail plate again to do the other side. But this way we are going to keep like an even shape around the cuticle. I find if you just go one way, for me, it just doesn't get as clean of a finish. It doesn't get down into those side walls as much. Also guys, if you didn't already subscribe to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and also give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below whether you like to use an e-file for your nails or for your clients' nails, or do you just like to use a hand file? I definitely know in the beginning when I first started doing nails, I would not use an e-file. It absolutely petrified me. But once you know how and once you've got the correct bits, it is really such an amazing tool to have and to master. Okay, so I'm just turning off my e-file now, and all you do is a long hold press on that pause play button and it will switch off, ready for your next use. And I just love the desktop stand. It is so sleek. And like I say, that is a charging stand as well, so you can plug it in and have it charging, so you're never ever going to run out. So next up, like I said, if you wanted to come in with more e-file bits, you can, but I'm just recommending that if you only want to use one, that is the one. I'm now going to come in with my cuticle nippers, and we are going to go ahead and nip away that dead skin all the way around, making sure to tidy it up, nip away any excess, get rid of all of that good stuff. And for me, that is the most basic of manicure that you can do, that is really going to give you like a really simple but efficient, clean finish without being too invasive and without going over the top with a bazillion different e-file bits, because I do know that it can be super duper intimidating. There are so many bits on the market. There are bits for this, bits for that, bits for that, and there's multiple bits that do the same thing. Don't try and boggle your head with it all. Get one bit that you absolutely love for your prep and go with the flow. Do you know what I'm saying? Like, chill. You got to prep down. If you have the cuticle clean, honestly, you'll absolutely love it. You will wonder what you ever did before you had it. Okay, so once I've finished doing that, I dust away the excess, and then I'm going to come in with my hand file. I'm using a 240 grit. This is the perfect grit to use on your natural nails, and I'm just going to tidy up that length and the shape on the free edge. Literally have nothing there. I've been biting these nails. I have not looked after them. They need some tender loving care. So I'm just going to do a manicure, and I'm going to really hydrate and use my cuticle oils religiously, which I haven't been doing either. So I thought it would be a good time to share this video with you guys when my nails are not at their best, but how I like to take care of them with these simple steps. So whilst I'm doing this with my hand file as well, I'm making sure only to file in one direction so that we keep that health of the nail. So you just want to go under on one side and to the center, and then take it off on the way back, if you know what I'm saying. It looks like I'm sewing, but I'm not. You want to just do one direction off the nail and back. So I'm going to do that on all of the nails, and then we can come in with our buffer. I am just going to be using a buffer on the nail just to really even it out and to remove, I suppose, some of the scratches that are on there. I had been doing some swatches and things on my nails and probably roughed them up a little bit too much. So I'm just going to very delicately buff the surface shine, especially around that cuticle area, just to get rid of anything that's on there extra. Very delicate hand, doesn't need to be anything too much. Doing that on all of the nails, and then I'm coming in with my absolute favorite cleanser, the Safe Scrub Nail Prep, which also has antibacterial properties. So this is going to dehydrate the nail plate, but it's also got those antibacterial properties, which is going to kill anything that could potentially cause any problems. And this product reduces the lifting because it does reduce those oils on the nail plate. I'm just using that with one of our hard scrub brushes, the new clear ones. How flashy do they look? Like, they look so good. Honestly, when I got these in, I was like, oh my gosh, the logo on the handle, the clear, the black bristles, something that is just such a simple item that just looks super elegant and fresh. I always love to have a lot of these on hand, especially if you're doing clients. You can have like 5 or 10 on the go, however many you need, and then just cleanse and sterilize them at the end of the day. Obviously per client, like each client gets one, sterilize at the end of the day, ready for the next day. Okay, done that, just did everything off, cleansed, and now it's time for our nourishing cuticle oil with added vitamins. This is the key to those healthy nails that I am getting back, because I have neglected them so much. But yeah, that is basically it for this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Like I said, leave me a comment down below, subscribe if you haven't already, and check out all of my products on my website, which is glitterplanetuk.com. Hopefully I will see you guys in the next one. Let me know as well what you want to see next. Would you like, I don't even know, I'm gonna have to think about it, but yeah, let me know any videos you want to see. I've took some notes from my other video, and I will take some from this one, because you can never have too many ideas that you guys want to see. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and as always, please remember that you are bomb.com, lit as fuck, and don't ever let anybody tell you any different, because you've got this and I love you. Okay, bye. See you later, alligator. Also, thank you so much for watching all of this way, if you've stayed all the way to the end, for carving some time out of your day to spend it with me. I really, really, truly appreciate it. Bye.